Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first tonight, police in St. James are turning up the pressure on criminals with the launch of a targeted operation which is now in effect. The lawmen provided details at a press conference on Friday.
The St. James Police Division has, for some time now, been notorious for serious crimes, particularly murders. But now,
the St. James Division is seeing a 62% reduction in murders. We are now at 19 compared to 50 for the corresponding period of 2024. Overall, the division is seeing a general reduction as it relates to the fear of crime.
And in the coming days, residents are being warned that they will be seeing an increase in police presence as the lawmen continue to target gangs. With the assistance of the military, they will be swarming specific communities, the township, and major thoroughfares throughout the parish. Dubbed Operation Storm 2, the police say despite the encouraging figures, they will not let up in the fight against crime.
Law-abiding citizens need not to be worried, as the focus will be on the gangs, as we intend to remove them permanently from the communities which they are hiding and are operating in. We are encouraging the citizens to provide information to the police directly through 119, Crime Stop, or any other channel about the gangs and their membership.
DSP Edwards highlighted some of the gangs on the police's radar.
Is the G6 gang. They operate in Salt Spring Rose Heights, 641 gang, Salt Spring Rose Heights, Bloods gang, Flower Hill, YSF, Bird Hill, KDF, Mount Salem, Downtown Sparta and Young Sparta Generation, Flankers, Rebel gang from the Flankers community, Libyan gang, Flankers, YAK, Norwood, HDF, Norwood, One Don gang, Mount Carey, Shmoney, Maroontown, and Bad 13 from Springmount.
The police say they're particularly concerned about shootings in populated spaces where innocent people get hurt.
We will not allow criminals to go around shooting people like birds anywhere and anytime. And to use a popular Jamaican phrase, it won't go so, as our response will be swift and decisive. And we hope those who have ears to hear will hear. So we are warning the gang not to challenge or resist the police when we come, as we have a lawful responsibility to first defend and protect ourselves and the decent law-abiding citizens of this parish. Because if we cannot protect and defend ourselves, how are we going to protect and defend them? We are appealing to all gang members and their supporters from the respective gangs to do the right thing and surrender yourselves and the guns in your possession to us and to prevent us from coming for you, because we will be using every lawful tool that we have at our disposal.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.
In the meantime, the St. James Police released the names of 6 persons of interest.